Here's the C13 that I put together on the protect board to speed up the power amplifier fan. As the capacitance goes down, you'll get a stronger RC action with a faster frequency, and that will speed this thing up. So I changed C13 right there from 1 UF down to 0.65, and that made a difference in the speed. I'm hoping that these transistors here, that those two are not blown or something and causing issues, or there's bad diodes. I should replace, make sure D13, D14 are replaced before I really solder in this fix here, because it might be fixing a problem. But anyway, that speeds up the fan so that the power amplifier is cooling sufficiently. Yeah, so I'm copying about 0.65 on these. Let's see if I can show you here. If I go across these. Working on it. There you go, that's what I get. The original capacitor that was in there is about 1 UF as marked. Here's the original one that I'm trying to wire up here. Trouble is, I have one hand and it's all tiny stuff. Let's see if this will work. Okay, there's the original one. Yeah, it comes in about a microfarad, so whoa, it's on the floor now. Non-polarized. And then I was putting in these larger capacitors that I bought. I bought these 1 UFs thinking the ones that came in the unit could be bad, but the ones in the unit are good. So they have these little cute ones in here from Japan. These are perfect. They're not bad at all. I replaced them anyway, but I don't want to switch them back in. Anyway, that's it with the capacitors. I think I'm going to check these two diodes. I should probably replace these in case they're leaking or something, or they can be slowing it down too. Let's see, are those correct? So I'm working on the PA fan. The power amplifier fan goes where? Yep, into this chip. So D14, D13. I wonder if I fix those. Make sure this thing's off. It's off now. D13, D14. Oh, I can't really see through the camera. Believe me, D13, D14 are in there somewhere. If those are original, I guess I'm going to replace them and see if I can use a 1 microfarad in here and the speed will come back. If not, I'm going to put in my 0.65 hack fix and call it good. All right? Anyway, I'm getting tired of working on this thing. It's been a week and a half or something. I just want to put it back together. Get this whole freaking mess cleaned up. It's like a laboratory when you're fixing something. You got crap all over. Heatsink compound, solder, dummy load antenna, power supply for a muffin fan for putting on here to test the thermal switch in there. You know, there's a latte. That damn thing was pretty good. Made that here at home with a grinder and a latte machine. Anyway, use the scope to look at waveforms. I did see distortion on the waveform, so maybe I should investigate those diodes before I go freaking crazy here. All right, what are they? Replace D13, D14. I've been using these like power diodes, which I had laying around. I can't find any little glass ones. Well, I guess I had some, but these are like 400 volt diodes or something. No, those are capacitors. Where are the diodes? What are these diodes? Nope. Boy, am I organized. Look at those diodes. Huh. A bunch of them directly from China. Nothing wrong with China. They make good stuff these days. 1N4007. Alexa, a 1N4007 diode, what are the characteristics of it?
is a general-purpose silicon rectifier rated 1A forward current and 1000 V reverse voltage, with a forward drop about 0.7 to 1.1 V, low leakage, 5 microamperes, and it's packaged in a DO 41 axial case/sight. Are you working on an electronics project or just curious about how diodes work?
Electronics project, but thank you, Alexa. Have a nice night. Okay.
You're welcome. Good luck with your project. Sounds like you've got some solid components to work with. Have a great night.
So D13, D14, I'm going to replace those if they're not replaced and try it again. Anyway, that's where I'm at. If you need to speed up your fan, now you know how to do it on the FL-7000 Yaesu linear amplifier. And the cool thing about this linear is there's only 50 volts in it and not 2000 volts. So what has 2000 volts? The Drake does. And this little bugger down here has 2000 volts in it. So I don't know. These things blow out, but maybe they won't kill you. Eventually they will. Maybe not. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.